Hello and welcome to the Not Forgotten tutorial on how to redeem your time capsule code, create your login, as well as entering all your pertinent information. Our time capsule can be stored for up to 300 years, and perhaps the most important part is that your video can be found by future generations. So I'm Mickey Charles. I'm the Director of Customer Operations. I have 20 years experience in broadcast, media, and entertainment, specializing in workflows, archiving, multi-level video asset protection, and best practices for data protection. So how does it work? This tutorial will focus on using the website to create your login, enter subscription information as well as family information. Once this is completed, you can view our video on how to use the phone app to create your video. I have a few videos to share, plus there will be a step-by-step process to guide you through creating your time capsule. If you find that you have additional questions or need to reach us, please contact us via email at support@not-forgotten.com. So let's get started with the first video. We're going to step through the process of what we're going to be showing next. So I've logged in to www.not-forgotten.com. I have a license code. So I click on I have a license code. I scroll down and I'm going to be entering my license code, my information about my account, and then I'll be agreeing to the terms and conditions and the privacy policies, and then once you have all the information entered, you'll be creating your account. So let's log in to www.not-forgotten.com. At the top of the page, you will see the link that says I have a license code. Right there it is. So what we're going to do is click on I have a license code to get started. Here we are at the page Get Started. Please keep in mind to scroll down on your page to see additional fields that need to be completed. First, enter your license code, then your first name, and continue to work your way down the page, adding the information as requested. You will be asked to enter your email and create a password. This will become your login to the main Not Forgotten website. Once you have entered all of the information, click on I agree to the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policies. When you have completed all the information, click on Create Your Account. So check your email. You will receive an email similar to this one, which has a link that says, yes, it's me, let's get started. Click on that link. You're now at our login screen. You can also log in from the main page at any time by clicking on the login icon on the website. Please enter the email and password you used when creating your account. This will take you to the main Not Forgotten website. Let's take a look at what this page looks like. Notice that there are two ways to navigate the web page. On the left of the screen, you have the dashboard. From there, you can move down each of the selections. In the center of the screen, you notice 5 main steps. The blocks will change, showing your progress as you complete each step. So on the page, towards the bottom, there is general information about your subscription. This page shows the information about your package, such as your subscription information, general information about your family tree, and when your capsule will go public. Let's start by completing the video subject information. This will be the information about the person the video is about. We simply have to click on Take Me There in step 1. Here's a short video showing what we'll be covering next. This page. This is a video that's just going to show you what we're going to be walking through next. So from the dashboard, all we need to do is click on Take Me There, and this will take us to the area to complete the information about our video subject. So here you can see we are taken to the My Package. It gives you information about your current subscription. When should your capsule go public? We do recommend instantly, but you can also make it 10 years or 50 years, depending on your preference. And if you do make a change, just hit Update Privacy Setting, and you'll see that your updates were successful. And then we'll scroll down and enter information about the person who is being recorded. So continue on down the page, fill out this information. We're going to go step by step next. So now that you have clicked on step 1, video subject, you're taken to the first page we need to complete. First, choose when you want your video to go public. We suggest instantly. This way your video is available as soon as it has been completed. If you're doing this for someone who may be underage, you may want to choose in 10 years. Continue on down the page and complete the information for each question. Complete the information about the video subject. There are cases where you are creating a video for someone else. It's important to enter the information based upon the person in the time capsule. If you are creating a time capsule for someone who is deceased, click the button to enter additional information. Once you've entered your information into each field, the Update Subject icon will be highlighted. Click on Update Subject. If all fields have been completed, you will see a short message towards the top right of the page saying Successful. You will also automatically be taken to the next step in the process. In this example, I'm going to be clicking on the person is deceased. This screen shows the requested information if the person is deceased. Once you have entered all the requested information, click on Update Subject and you will be taken to the next step in the process. And again, if the person is not deceased, we don't need to worry about that. And once you've entered all the information as requested, click on Update Subject to continue. The system will now take you to the next step in the process, which is entering information about your family. Notice on the left-hand side that My Family Data is highlighted. Also, I want you to point out that if you were to go back to the dashboard, the system remembers where you are in the process of creating your video. As shown, we have completed the video subject in the process, and we need to continue on to the entering family information. Let's review what we'll cover next, entering family data. Again, this will be a short video showing how this page will look. Okay, so let's walk through what we're going to be covering next. And I do also want to point out the previous slide, if I were to go back to the dashboard. So here's my dashboard, and you can see right here that the Tell Us About Your Video subject has been completed in our process. So I'm going to go back to My Family Data, and this would have automatically taken you here after updating the subject information, but I did want to show you that dashboard. So here we are at My Family. If you have a GEDCOM file, you can upload it by clicking on this button right here. If you do not want to continue and enter any family data, you can simply skip family data, and that will take you automatically to the next step in the process. But if you want to enter information, for example, information about your mother, you would then just click on the button there to the right, and enter information about your mother. Once that's done, you just click on Add to your tree, and those details would be put in here automatically. So as you can see, because I didn't enter any information, the default values were automatically added. So again, all I have to do is click on Add Details for any member of the family and enter that information. So on the My Family Data page, we have a couple of choices here. First, if you have a GEDCOM file, you can upload it here by clicking this button. You can also choose to not enter any family information by clicking Skip Family Data. I'm next going to show how easy it is to enter your family information. When you scroll down, you will see a list of family members that you can add information for. In our example, we are going to enter information for my mother. Click on Add Details. We're now at the Add New Entry page. Enter information about your mother on this page. If they are deceased, you can click on that checkbox as well. So in my example, I clicked on Deceased. This opened an additional window that allows you to enter the information requested. When you've completed all the information, click on Add to your tree. Continue to enter additional information about your family by clicking on Add Details across from each family member. Once all of your family information is entered, you can scroll to the top of the page. Once you've entered all the information and you've scrolled to the top of the page, click on Skip Family Data. This simply takes us on to the next step in the process. All the family information entered will be saved by the system. So the next step in the process, which is my time capsule. Here we will be creating our templates for the video storyline. Notice at the top is another view of where you are with creating my time capsule. Let's take a look at the way it's going to look on the website. I'll give a quick overview, then drill down into the details. This slide, we're going to show you the process of creating your templates. At the top here, you'll see your status, where we're currently at, and then we'll be moving on to writing your prompts, creating your video, and your status. So for now, I'm just going to click on Select My Template, and then we're taken to the information here about the template categories. So on the different categories, you see many different options here. There's detailed information on the main website about the template categories. So if I was doing this one for milestones and events, I would click that. And then I have options here if I was just graduating school, or if I was male or female, if I was a bride-to-be or groom-to-be, I would choose one of those. At this point, we would generate our scenes. But for now, let's go ahead and do the step-by-step drill down on this. Okay, so let's start by clicking on Please Choose a Category. We have a set of predefined templates. Use the arrow next to the category and you can choose from available templates. There are several templates such as bride, military, college, as well as various age groups. Choose a template that works best for you. After choosing your template and template options, click on Generate Your Scenes. So this page is showing you the scenes that you will create. Let's take a look at this short video showing this page. video, we're going to talk about the My Capsule area and whether or not you should use the phone app, or if you choose to just simply upload the video via our website. So here we are. We've already selected our template, and we're ready now to write our prompts. And the write your prompts is mainly for if you're going to be using the teleprompter on the phone app. So here are the scenes that I chose with the script and the template that I had chosen for the bride. And here you can see where I can input my prompts below, and I could click on the plus sign and enter my notes. And this is going to transfer automatically over to the phone app. So when you download the phone app and you log in, this prompt for the teleprompter that's built into the phone app will be readily available for you. If you are not going to use the phone app and you already have videos in which you just want to submit, then you can simply scroll down to the bottom and click on Upload Videos. Also, I do want to point out, if you're not happy with this template and the scenes, all we have to do is click on Delete Template, and that's going to take us right back to this page where I can now choose a different template. And here again we come back to the My Capsule, and we can continue on. Again, the choice would be, am I going to use a teleprompter with the phone app, or am I just going to upload my videos? So let's create our first script. The script can be used with our phone app teleprompter, or printed out as well. Click on the plus sign on the right side across from the scene that you want to edit. In this example, we're going to be editing the one about me. Go ahead and create your script. I like to add short notes to remind me on the teleprompter of important things I want to talk about. You can also be very specific if you like. One suggestion, add a couple of carriage returns between your thoughts. This will aid you when looking at the teleprompter. Each scene length will be different depending upon which template you choose. You have a total of 30 minutes, so be sure to keep this in mind. So we are all done with the About Me scene. You can click on Print This Prompt if you'd like to print out of this script. I did this when I created my video, and I had the page out of the screenshot on my lap so that I could reference my script. There are several ways to use the script. Choose the method that works best for you, or both. Click on Save This Script. Continue down the page and create scripts for each scene. Let's do our last scene together. Click on the plus sign across from I'm Not Forgotten. We ask that the last scene be you stating your name and that you're not forgotten. That's it. That's the easiest one of all. Click Save This Prompt when completed. There's one more thing to do on the website. Here is a preview of what's next. Let's talk about what the next few steps are. So I've saved my prompts for the scenes, and there I am saving that. And I've got my I'm Not Forgotten in here. I'm going to save that. So if I'm going to use the phone app, I can download it from either Google Play or the App Store. But something I want you to do first before doing that, and that is to click on Upload Videos, and we just need to enter the filming location. So this is the last bit of information that we need before we start loading the videos. So let's go into a deep dive on that right now. So this is the additional area on the website that we need to complete. We're not going to upload any videos at this time, but we do want to capture where the video is being recorded. So click on Upload Videos. This is the additional information I was talking about, and this is where the video is being recorded. Please complete these fields with the information about the filming location. When done, click on Update. We should be ready to start recording our video using the phone app. You can go to the Apple App Store, or if you're using an Android phone, go to Google Play. Before you do, one last thing to mention. You can always go back to a prompt and change the information you entered for each scene. If you're not going to use the phone app and you have your videos already created, you can click on Upload Videos to upload your videos. Depending on which method you use to create and upload the videos, you can either log out and continue with the phone app, or click Upload Videos to continue using the website. There are additional tutorials available to assist you with either using the phone app or uploading via the website. Check them out for additional information. That's it. That's all there is to it. Congratulations, your video will be available for generations. And remember, if you have any problems, reach out to us via email at support@not-forgotten.com. Thank you.